Welcome back, I'm Sage and you're watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney. This is the Buzzing Trends Show. So what are the factors impacting the ASX movements today? Well, Australian stocks fell a percentage on Wednesday to mark its worst intraday drop in about 5 weeks, extending losses into a second straight session as travel stocks dropped after a new COVID-19 case in New Zealand sparked worries of a pause in the trans-Tasman quarantine-free travel. Australian shares opened higher on Thursday, up by just 2.90 points today to 7,000.40. That was current at Australian Eastern Standard Time 11:42 a.m. Rebounding from 2 straight sessions of losses as Wall Street and global stocks ended higher overnight. 9 of the 11 sectors are also higher, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. AREIT is the best performing sector, gaining 1.36%, but is little changed for the last 5 days. Let's now deep dive into the factors that are impacting the markets today. The first big news is coming from the ASX listed company, AMP Limited. AMP Limited bleeding continues. It saw 1.5 billion Australian dollars in net outflows in the first quarter, ended on 31st March 2021, at its Australian wealth management business. The 3-year-long reputational damage is making it lose its clients continuously. While AMP Limited net outflows for the March quarter was an improvement on the loss suffered same time last year, but outflows at AMP Capital were double the rate of the overall company and reached 2.9 billion Australian dollars. Of the 2.9 billion Australian dollars, 1.3 billion of that has been pooled funds were from the external clients. AMP Capital assets under management also shrunk to 186.5 billion Australian dollars. Mr. De Ferrari also updated on the home loan payment deferrals. It has been responsible to add 200 million Australian dollars in AMP Capital's loan book. AMP Limited share is trading low at 1.122 Australian dollars, reporting a fall of 3.64%. Moving on to the next news, Split It today launched a new service known as Plus Service, which will help in bringing its platform for instalment payments and card processing together to be rolled out to the US customers. Plus Service, which is an outcome of partnership between Split It and Stripe, and is designed to help merchants to activate the service and offer interest and fee-free instalments and credit card transactions. And now let's take a look at the big news for today. Australian Pharmaceutical Industries, or API, saw a decline in its net profit after tax for the first half of 2021. The NPAT fell by 29.3%, whereas sales declined by 2.6% and was recorded at 1.98 billion Australian dollars. The results show an impact of continuous lockdown restrictions in Australia and New Zealand, leading to temporary closure of both Clear skincare clinics and Priceline company-owned stores. API expects the full year results will broadly in line with the market expectations. Santos Limited, the well-known Australian gas producer, posted a rise of 9.2% in its first quarter revenue. The factors supporting the rise are firmer commodity market, recovery of global economics from last year low levels due to pandemic, and stronger forecasted liquid natural gas prices for the second quarter. Increasing energy demand in the last few months has led to the lift in commodity prices. Liquid natural gas prices also reached to a record high levels this January. And thanks for your time watching. That is all for now. But do keep watching Kalkine TV as we bring you the latest news and trending market updates live from Sydney. This is Sage signing off.